everyone, I'm Vincent Martone here at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today again I have the honor and pleasure of taking you through a 2020 Aviara 32. So as we start back here, you'll simply notice that we have twin Mercury 300 outboards, joystick piloting. We have our industry standard and industry leading seating, stadium seating for 6. These 3 stools back here work very similar to your office chair, but this is nothing like an office because we are outdoors finally and enjoying this beautiful weather down here in Florida. If you look up here, if sun isn't your thing and you want to get out of the sun, we have our Make Fast shade. It's a one-touch system, super quiet, goes all the way out to the back of the rear transom seats. As we step down inside the boat, you'll notice how deep the boat is. The gunnels increase in height as you move forward. I'm also standing under our very tall and very solid hard top. It's beautiful. It's lit up with RGB lighting. We have our wet bar here we have wine and champagne storage. Coolers here, coolers underneath all of the cushions. We have the sea deck, but it's cut into a Versailles pattern for our boat. Moving forward at the helm, you'll notice a dual-seated helm with joystick piloting, Garmin GPS screen, Murphy gauge for all of your entertainment. Our Aviaras, all the Aviaras in our line have just about a 3,000 watt stereo with 2 subwoofers, 12 speakers, very, very clear, probably the best, if not the best, clarity at highest volume. It's absolutely amazing. If you catch me at a boat show, you'll see me cranking this stereo. As we move forward, you've got your spacious head compartment. I'm going to step down in here, and I'm not that tall, you know, I'm fun size, but I can do a full workout with jumping jacks inside here. So check this out. Now this is a 32-foot boat, and I'm standing up, and I still have another 6 inches of headroom above me, and I'm 5'6". So for those of you taller people that are frustrated with getting into a head on a boat where you just can't stand up, this boat is definitely for you. Ride and handling characteristics of this boat, it handles like a Porsche. It really does. That was the design when Aviara came to the table. They wanted a luxury day boat that can really outperform any other day boat out there on the market. It beats the waves into submission, gives a solid feel. There's no banging, no bouncing, and it really does feel like it's on rails. If you want to follow me up to the bow, we'll finish off this video with the bow shot. Of course, as with any luxury day boat, you've got to have your windlass anchor that's located up underneath here. You can operate it here with your remote or from the helm station. And I'm just going to take a seat so you can get a real feel of the depth of this boat. You can safely run this boat at top speed, and the top speed with the twin 300s is right around 51 miles an hour. You can have 3 guests safely up here without feeling or having the nervousness of them being frying panned out of the boat. It's very deep, very solid ride. Again, my name is Vincent Martone. I'm located here at MarineMax in Clearwater. This has been Aviara. It's manufactured by Mastercraft, offered exclusively through MarineMax. Give us a call, 536-BOAT, or you can reach me on my cell, 803-760-0609, or most of all, like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Hope to see you soon.